Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here. I'm just mapping in the shapes for this belly up kitty. Just waiting for someone to scratch that belly. So I'm just kind of getting a general feel of the shape and form of the cat. Just really learning structure here. Get the swing of those ears up there. It's a study, and these drawings are so valuable. They really are where the skills build. Those paws in there, and you can kind of play with the angle of the paws a bit to add lively movement to the drawing. Don't have to be exactly the same, but as long as they are convincing that they look comfortable for the cat. Just really aiming for the rhythm and flow throughout this drawing. Making sure the lines flow into one another and that kitty looks comfortable. And after that comes the character and soul. It's really all about shapes and lines at this stage. I'm going to start to tighten up a little bit and slow down in parts where I really want to make sure it does look convincingly like that cat part. This kind of plant kitty here. That leg looks a little awkward because it's cut off by the blanket that the cat's laying on. So I got to kind of put a bit of blanket in there too to help make it look convincing. Yeah, and a line for the eyes. Some lines for the eyes to help place them. So things look accurate. Accurate, but not perfect. I'm not aiming for perfection. I'm aiming for character and soul. We'll get those eyes in. And it looks like I'm going to have to move where the nose is going to go over a bit. The middle of the mouth has to move over a bit. There we go. Nope, this is where I fix it, I guess. It was a little bit too far to the left, to our left. Kitty's right. I like that. It really comes to life when you put the eyes in. Now I'm going to speed up here now. As I start to fill in some of the darker lines. Remembering that less is more, making each line count. Not worrying about any unnecessary lines that will distract the eye. I'll zip right through this last part and finish up this drawing. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world. I love to hear from you. Tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. There's the whiskers. Thank you so much for watching today. We'll see you next time.